I was interested in what you were saying about looking at the quality of data. We've got an order of magnitude of data coming at us now in terms of checking. You mentioned there will be qualitative checks. We're looking at algorithms for looking at engineering validity against certain standards and protocols. I was wondering how you saw that developing, if you're thinking about getting the institutions involved in terms of discipline specs. Looking that we've just scratched the surface of the object schema that we're moving into, there's lots of power there, but I'm just wondering how you see that getting mapped out, because it's a real issue in the industry at the moment.
For sure, yeah. So step one is I've asked for some data in a schema, as you say, and I've got an expectation that I receive that from the supply chain. So step one is, have I received what I asked for? Is it a valid transaction? And that's really where our main concentration is to validate the transaction. Once you've got a valid transaction, you can then safely do something with that data. And whether it's a spec check or a regs check or a health and safety check or some other quality check, that's kind of up to the market to develop. For sure, DCLG are going to be looking at the planning portal and the building control stuff, and that's happening as we speak. We've got a BIM for health and safety team which are looking at health and safety checking and those sorts of things. But we're only going to look at the big regulatory type checks. The rest of it really is for the institutions and the supply chain to build on that platform. There's, as Andy said earlier, right-leaning government is going to step back a little bit, and so it's only going to do the absolutely bare essentials. Then basically the investment that other people make will be relevant to the market and be developing competitiveness, and that's exactly what they want to do. So yes, going to encourage it, yes, all the tools are going to be there, but actually doing it is going to be down to the institutions and supply chains.